Very dark, wicked, flexible, so easy to use, not to mention affordable.
This invoice has an array of fields that represents items that have been purchased. Each row has a quantity, description, price, discount, and line total. This database has corresponding rows and columns. In this video, we show how a field array is used to map the data to these fields in an efficient manner. We start by creating a new project. We add an output document and call it invoice. We save it to disk. Next, we add the invoice template. If we take a look at the fields, we can see that the quantity fields are named quantity 0, quantity 1, quantity 2, and so on. The same is true for description, price, discount, and line total. We add the data source that holds the invoice items and call it items. If we preview the data, you can see there are 3 invoice items. Line total is missing because it is calculated from the other fields. Next, we add a field array under the data source and call it description. If we select the field array, we can see that we can specify an expression for both the field name and its value. For the name of the field, we enter the literal text description plus the index of the data source. If we now preview the expression, we can see that it evaluates to description 0, description 1, and description 2. This corresponds exactly to the fields of our template form. For the value of the field, we simply refer to the column in our data source. Let's preview. This looks as expected. Next, we run the project. If we open the PDF document, we see that 3 description fields have been filled. We do exactly the same for the other fields, after which the project looks like this. We run the project one more time. If we open the PDF document, we now see that all invoice item fields have been filled.